The global AI chip war is heating up, and Huawei just made a huge move. The Chinese tech giant has officially unveiled its next-generation AI chip tech in an ambitious bid to challenge none other than Nvidia, the current undisputed leader in AI hardware. Here's everything you need to know about Huawei's new AI cluster breakthrough and what it means for the future of artificial intelligence, global chip rivalry, and China's growing tech independence. Let's get into it. Huawei has announced a major leap forward in artificial intelligence hardware, its new SuperPod technology. This system supports linking up to 15,488 graphics cards, all powered by Huawei's Ascend-branded AI chips, into one massive computing cluster. That's an enormous number by any measure. In fact, the company says it now operates a supercluster containing around 1 million GPUs. The scale is massive, the implications even bigger. This new development is part of Huawei's plan to bypass its dependency on Nvidia, whose advanced chips have been restricted due to ongoing U.S. export sanctions. Huawei's goal is clear: build enough high-performance infrastructure to support China's AI boom, even without access to America's most powerful chips. Now let's be real, Huawei admits that its individual chips still lag behind Nvidia's when it comes to raw performance. Even Huawei's founder, Ren Zhengfei, recently said that a single Huawei chip can't yet compete with a single Nvidia chip. But he also made something very clear: we can still get the results we want by compensating with cluster-based computing. In other words, Huawei is playing the long game. Instead of focusing only on chip-to-chip comparisons, they're building powerful systems by clustering thousands, even millions of GPUs together. And that's where SuperPod comes in. This is Huawei's upgraded answer to Nvidia's NVLink, the high-speed communication backbone that lets Nvidia's chips talk to each other seamlessly in servers and data centers. Huawei's strategy: outscale, not outmuscle. Huawei's timing is no accident. China is under increasing pressure to cut reliance on U.S. tech, especially in critical areas like semiconductors and AI infrastructure. Recently, the Chinese government advised its tech giants not to use Nvidia's RTX Pro 6000D chips, which can be repurposed for AI workloads. They've also discouraged the use of Nvidia's H20 chip, another AI-focused product. Although these aren't full-on bans, the message is clear: use domestic tech. And that's opened up a massive opportunity for local chip makers like Huawei and Cambricon Technologies. Cambricon, by the way, is another major name in China's AI chip space, and its stock has surged this year, reflecting investor optimism. Meanwhile, tech stocks across China, from Baidu to Alibaba, are rallying. Why? Because these companies are seen as making real progress in homegrown AI development. Let's go back to the core question: can Huawei really compete with Nvidia? Here's the current landscape. Nvidia still dominates high-performance AI chips globally. But U.S. export restrictions limit access to Nvidia's best chips in China. Huawei's Ascend chips aren't as powerful individually, but Huawei's cluster strategy helps level the playing field at the system level. And with SuperPod, Huawei is now targeting Nvidia's enterprise stronghold: high-speed chip-to-chip networking, which is essential for training large language models and running next-gen AI tools. If Huawei continues scaling its clusters and refining communication between chips, it could close the performance gap faster than many expect. Huawei isn't stopping at SuperPod. At their latest event, the company announced a full roadmap of AI chips coming over the next 3 years. Here's what's on the horizon: Ascend 950PR, launching in early 2026, featuring Huawei's own AI memory chip; Ascend 950DT, coming in late 2026; Ascend 960, slated for late 2027; and the Ascend 970, expected by late 2028. Each release represents a new step in Huawei's ongoing mission to become self-sufficient in AI hardware, and to create chips that don't just match Nvidia's, but potentially redefine how AI workloads are handled in China and beyond. This isn't just a story about semiconductors. It's about global tech dominance, AI leadership, and the battle for control over the future of intelligent computing. Huawei's announcement signals two things. China is accelerating its push to build a fully independent AI ecosystem, And Huawei is positioning itself as the backbone of that movement. Will SuperPod reshape the market? Can Huawei keep up with, or even surpass, Nvidia in the long run? One thing is clear, the world's most important tech race just added a new player, and everyone should be paying attention. What do you think of Huawei's big AI chip announcement? Is this a game changer or just another attempt to catch up with Nvidia? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on the biggest stories in tech and AI. Thanks for watching Finance Spot, and we'll see you in the next video.